Today I'll be doing a restoration of Bratz Welcome to Fabulous Sasha. I bought her a couple of weeks ago and I was really excited to get her for a pretty reasonable price. Usually she's really expensive, which is just so unfair, and it really sucks that people overprice Sasha a lot. But yeah, I was really patient and she popped up on eBay, so I was really lucky to find her for a pretty good price. Some of her clothes had some chrome on the belt, for example on these pants, so I'm just being careful not to put this in the water because you can lose the chrome quite easily. Usually just run it under some hot water quickly and then clean the remaining bit of fabric that doesn't have the chrome on it. So Sasha has a really difficult hairstyle for me. It was quite unusual. It has like multiple sort of pieces and the back is quite weird. So I kind of just took my time to create the parts, and I also took some photos of her hair before I actually cleaned it. So that can sometimes help looking back at those photos. Here she is in her second outfit. She looks amazing. Her hair's not great because there's like this random side bit coming out. I really like this first outfit. It just looks amazing with the jacket and the pants and the patterns and like the sparkly top. So pretty. And she also has like gems on the side of her face. The detail and the design is just incredible on this doll, and honestly this whole line of Welcome to Fabulous is just incredible. She is with Welcome to Fabulous Yasmin as well, and I think they look really amazing together. I'm hoping to get the other two from this line, Tiana and Chloe, but I'm just waiting to find them for a reasonable price. I made these leopard pants a little while ago, but I think I'll take them off and dress designed by Sasha in the second outfit of Welcome to Fabulous Bratz Sasha, just to put her outfit to good use. They are all finished. I think they look great together. I probably need to clean up their hair. I'm just amazed by these dolls. I think they look so beautiful and their designs are just incredible, the detail. And I wish that more Bratz that were released now were like this. They're just beautiful dolls. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.